Okay, so one time in second grade, I was just doing a generic math test. However, it was very, very dark outside, even though it was only 12 or so p.m. Because of that, in fact, there was actually severe weather outside. And in the middle of that math test, our school's PA came on, and after the deafening beep of the announcement tone, we hear this over the speakers, sending chills down our spines. Attention all students and staff. We have just received a tornado warning. Please begin severe weather procedure. Thank you. After that, we head to the central room of our grade building, and we take on tornado position. About 10 to 15 minutes, possibly even 20 minutes, the tornado warning lifts. That was an interesting day. The end.